manual adjustable visor, 41 kilometers per liter, golden 41 USD forks at front. Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel, The Bong Tours, where every ride tells a story. So today we are with the Hero Karizma XMR Compact Edition. And in the first look only, this bike looks very premium with the beautiful matte grey color with yellow graphics in it. So let's not waste any more time and start our video. So our first point is design and build quality, and I can say in the first look only, this bike looks very classic to me because of the shadow matte color and the yellow graphics in it. So this is a special edition bike, the compact edition bike. The headlight design looks very sharp and aggressive with LED projector lamps, LED indicators, LED tail light. And build quality, it is built on steel trellis frame with rectangular swing arm, which gives good durability. So according to me, this bike looks very classic and premium because of the color, beautiful color. And let's move on to the next point, engine type. So the Karizma XMR 210 Compact Edition is powered by a 210cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine, which produces maximum power of 25 bhp at 9250 rpm and 20 Nm of torque at 7250 rpm. And let me tell you that this is Hero's first liquid-cooled engine which is given to the Karizma. And the engine is paired by a 6-speed gearbox with a slipper clutch assist. The slipper clutch in this bike will help you to get a smoother downshifts and reduces lever efforts, and the power delivery is nimble and it has almost no vibrations in it. My ride experience with this bike is very good. So let's move on to the next point, braking system. The braking system of the Karizma XMR 210 is designed to give more confident and safe braking with 300 mm front disc with bi-brake calipers at front and 230 mm single piston bi-brake caliper at rear. This bike comes with dual channel ABS for more confidence braking and harsh braking in slippery areas, but the rear ABS is not switchable. Next point is dimensions. The Karizma XMR Compact Edition gets the same dimensions as the standard variant. The overall length is 2168 mm. Width is 760 mm, a very approachable seat height of 810 mm with a ground clearance of 160 mm and a curb body weight of 163 kg.
Makes sures riders comfort while riding in Indian roads.
And 11 liters of fuel time, which gives out 41 kilometers per liter of mileage. That's pretty amazing. The Compact Edition gets golden 41 USD forks at front, which not only gives a striking look but also enhances its comfort and braking. And in the rear, it gets monoshock preload adjustable suspension. So just like the base variant, this one also gets a manual adjustable visor. Let me show you that. First you need to turn on the bike, then press the visor written button, and that is how easily you can adjust the visor according to your wish. So because of the USD forks and bigger discs, this bike weighs 3 kg heavier than the standard one, which is 163 kg. So it won't cause any problem to riders as the seat height is approachable, and because of the good weight distribution thanks to Hero, this bike does not even feel that much heavy, honestly. Keeping the needs of the customer in mind, Hero has loaded the XMR with many modern technologies such as a beautiful 4.2-inch color TFT display with a beautiful animation and Bluetooth connectivity for calls and SMS alert, turn-by-turn navigation, and an USB Type-C charger. Although the Karizma does not get any kinds of riding modes, the display of the Karizma is not very flashy but yet purposeful, which shows RPM meter, speedometer, fuel level and gear position very clearly. So the Karizma Compact Edition is priced at 2,10,000 ex-showroom Kolkata, and on road will cost you around 2,30,000. This bike is available at Premier Showroom Kolkata. We will give you the location and details of the showroom in our description. You can check it out. The behavior of the showroom is very, very welcoming, and you can check out their other bikes also. They have from Hero Extreme 250R to Extreme 250, Charisma, Xpulse, and even Harley Davidson. So thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel, The Bong Tours, for such more amazing vlogs. Ride safe.